Another game after this, you got ammo.
I was going to sit here and get some footage.
You alright?
Yeah, I just don't want to rush out.
That's fair. 30 seconds! I'm still going to call it for Canada, I think, yeah. I think Canada by 1.
Definitely.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, game! Okay, it's over. It didn't work enough. Okay, well, let me do it for you?
Do it.
Hey, it's
Grenade.
I'm good. Yeah, you run. I'll run.
Oh, really fine. Hang on.
Do it.
You won't hit the civilian. It doesn't hurt. No, it doesn't. It just makes a little bit of a bang. I purposely do my things that you know you got hit, but it's not going to hurt.
There you go. It's going to be on YouTube for you. It'll be on YouTube for you.
I appreciate it.
Now just moving up, tagging, and you come up like...
Jeff, you're with us.
Or like that, or like...
I'm going to fire a mile, so exactly.
We're doing an attack defense.
Stand up.
Crossing!
I think everyone's out.
Oh, shit. I had a good spot and I had to put
You're not out yet?
Oh,
you're doing now.
That's not fun. Shoot me at least. Ah!
Finish is taken! Finish is taken! Oh, you're not. Ow. Now you are. That's not good. I wiped out the whole team.
I got about 6 guys that were standing right here. I went over there.
Move. So bad, they didn't even know. They saw us.
Push, guys, push! You're almost wiped out. Good shot!
Good shot. Don't be a dick! Close corners, don't be a dick! Close corners, somebody only! I think that's everybody.
Is building clear?
Sometimes you get a little excited.
No, yeah,
I'm new there. But it hurt, really hurt.
Check the tower!
Sorry, bro. I was in.
last thing I want to see is a dick.
Nobody up there?
Hit! Hit! I saw your blue, and I thought when someone yelled hit, I thought it was you. Okay, there's guys in the bushes right here.
Protect them.
So, okay, go for
I
it.
dropped my
There.
magazine, that's why.
Right there.
You're really close?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go up. Ah, hit it.
That's game.
Ah, hit it.
We got both flags?
We got both flags.
I shot it all. No, yeah, you don't need to. I got the flag with a 9th kill. Yeah. And, oh, awesome. Yeah, there you go, man. You captured it. You can take it back to him. You captured it. Yeah, okay.
So here you go, Hayden.
He's like, ah, fuck. That's Warsoft's motto. Ah, fuck.
I swear, when someone yelled hit, it sounded like you when the halfway.
There's a guy behind me.
Because I saw the blue, I'm like, the fucking blue, I know who that is.
Yeah, I'm like talking to him. I'm like, anybody out on the left? He goes, no, they're all on the right. So I go to step, I look, I see someone, I'm like, back in. All of a sudden I hear, he yells hit, I'm like, oh. Then I go around the other corner, peek, bang, 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 and you're like, oh, fuck. Yeah.
I didn't want to overshoot the guy that got hit. I was just like, I don't want to fall out of the building in case I hit him too many times.
Yeah, I thought I covered the flag, but it wasn't the right one. He actually got it to his friendlies.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
It was the one out of the skid, right?
Yeah. One at a time. It's a very risky bridge. Now what you do is you walk back to the field like you're just joining in and you shoot motherfuckers.
I'm feeling blondie right now, boys. I'm feeling fucking blondie. Yeah, what's up?
I love getting shot by that, by the way. It was great.
Felt it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there and there.
It runs at max.
This?
Someone that way.
It hurt? I don't know who's shot.
Someone's sneaking on the right.
People AED shit.
Someone's sneaking on the right.
Right side?
The skid building further to the right.
Hey, Canada base, straight ahead, 12.
Hit! Okay. Are you hit, Davey?
No. And I'm not trying to intentionally get it. That's all it's showing. Keep the game interesting. Was Dave on our team too?
He is for now.
Oh.
Someone over there.
Is Jake still over there?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, I'm hit.
Oh, you dirty. Yeah, he's got his hand outside doing this so he gets shot.
Ah, fuck you, Davey. I thought you were on our team.
Man, I love this shit. Ready to fuck it.
Guys, ready? Push.
Push.
They're running behind,
Shake them down! Shake them down!
Get him!
Yeah.
It's halfway.
Nice, let's take over Canada.
There's two guys. No, we are Canada. We got halfway to take care of now.
Oh, they're pushing up from the rear now.
Yeah.
Halfway?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, that's good.
Oh, YOLO. Let's just see who shoots.
Let's just fucking push it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's push it.
Hey! Well, I guess we're all on this team.
Fucking hit.
Killed the wrong person.
You got hit too?
I hit him.
I'm on your. Just give me a top then.
Top
I'm
here.
on me, so I don't know how it happens now. Because I was on your team, he killed you, but now he killed me too.
Oh, were you on my team? Oh,
You just shot me.
From over there.
You just shot me.
You shot him.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Oh wait.
You shot him, and then I shot you, so he was going to you, and now you're going to me, and that's what
So
I
now
did.
so we're all on the same team.
He shot me afterwards.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Shoot him!
Oh, he's with us.
This is my Kasumi.
Hit, 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 hit.
Hit. Okay. All of us are the same team. Back. Hit.
Yeah.
Where else we gotta push then?
Alright. Now we all know
British.
we're the same team.
Back where we all started.
Holy fuck.
Where's
To hell and back, boys.
Or we make them come to us.
Where's all the Great Shield guys?
Or we make them.
Back here?
I gotta hold my drum mag.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You shoot me in the back? Look. There? Not there.
Time is it?
Oh,
Huh?
Time is it?
I have no clue.
Oh, you sneaky little twat. There we go. Go, go, go. Wanna play that game, motherfuckers?
Every fucking ricochet.
I'm out. Oh! Hit! I'm already hit!
Sorry, hit.
Hey, we're on the same team again. Oh, fucker.
Sorry.
God damn it.
10, 9,
I'm sorry.
8,
Fucking beat.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's game!
When I go in the building, I had it was a bad habit for that. Just getting these red and everything.
We did it, man.
That was good.
We did it.
I like that one.
That's what you do when you're running out of people and no refs.
Oh, yeah.
Not a single ref is down here. Just guys that play for a lot.